Looking for a hassle-free way to earn rewards wherever you are? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to introduce you a free app that allows you to effortlessly earn lucrative rewards without any complexities. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning rewards anytime, anywhere. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Unlock rewards effortlessly. Say goodbye to complicated processes and hello to a seamless way to earn money wherever you are. Imagine earning good money simply by using a free app. No more mindless scrolling or wasting time on unproductive activities. With Wild Cash app, you can turn your idle moments into profitable opportunities and treat yourself to the things you've always wanted. Wild Cash is a free app for earning rewards effortlessly while enjoying your favorite games. Wild Cash offers a seamless experience that allows you to earn lucrative rewards anytime, anywhere. Wild Cash is an easy-to-use, good-paying app for earning rewards. All you have to do is enjoy gaming and get rewards. Fun quizzes, inviting your friends to play with you. Play with your friends to make even more. Inviting your friends to use Wild Cash through the referral program to get rewards for two. Imagine playing fun quizzes and challenging your friends to join in the excitement, all through a single app. Wild Cash brings together a wide range of features that guarantee an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or simply looking to make the most of your free time, Wild Cash has got you covered. Earn enticing rewards simply by indulging in your favorite games and activities. The more you play, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. With Wild Cash, there are no complicated processes or hidden fees. It's a straightforward app designed to ensure that you have a great time while reaping the benefits. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to hassle-free rewards. So why wait? Join the Wild Cash community today and unlock endless opportunities to earn while having fun. Download the app now and start enjoying the incredible world of Wild Cash. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.